In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an online course on Kajabi. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up your course, structure it with modules and lessons, add your content, and control what your learners can see. Start in your Kajabi dashboard. Click on Products to open your product library. If this is your first time, you'll see a prompt to get started. Otherwise, click the New Product button. When Kajabi asks what you want to create, choose Course as your product type. This sets you up with the right layout for educational content. Next, fill in the basic details. Give your course a clear, searchable title and add a brief description that summarizes what students will learn and who it's for. Keep it concise and benefits-focused so visitors instantly understand the value. Once the course is created, it's time to define your structure using modules and lessons. Think of modules as your chapters or sections that group related topics. Under each module, you'll add lessons, which are the individual units learners watch or read. Inside your course, create a module, then add your first lesson by clicking Add Content and choosing Lesson. Give the lesson a specific title, so students always know what they're about to learn. You can continue building out multiple modules and lessons this way, keeping each lesson focused on a single outcome for clarity. Now add your actual content inside each lesson. Kajabi supports video and audio uploads, text-based content, and downloadable attachments like PDFs and worksheets. Use video or audio for explanations and demonstrations, then reinforce key points with a short text summary or steps below the media. If you have resources, attach them to the lesson so learners can save and revisit them. Kajabi also offers optional quizzes, which are perfect for quick knowledge checks or reinforcing learning at the end of a module. Keep questions straightforward and aligned with the lesson's key takeaways. As you build, you can reorder modules and lessons by dragging and dropping them. This makes it easy to refine the flow so the learning path feels logical, from introductory concepts to advanced topics. If something needs more polish, mark that lesson or module as draft to keep it hidden from learners. When you're satisfied and ready to release it, switch it to published so it becomes visible in your course. That's it. You created a course product, laid out modules and lessons, added media and resources, and managed visibility. Follow this process for each section of your course, and you'll have a professional, organized learning experience ready to go.